Welcome to another MCC quick tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over how to use our Cross Multiple Parts tool. To start, let's log in. Log in by clicking the Login button located at the top right of the screen. Enter your login information and click Login. Now that we have logged in, you will notice a MyMCC tab located at the top of the screen. Hover over MyMCC, then click Cross Multiple Parts. Here you will be able to enter the parts that you wish to cross-reference. Here you can enter the part numbers in the text box above, or select an entire file using the Datasheets file section. For this example, let's enter a part number in the text box. Next, we will click Find Product. This will now show you the part number that you have entered and the MCC part number that is compatible with the part that you have entered. Select the part to view the MCC part number. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.